Are you working on a novel? Chances are the answer is yes. Do you want to make more progress on your novel? You're watching this. Chances are the answer is yes. Well, I wanted to let you guys know that I am running my annual Beast Mode Challenge starting on May 1st. If you haven't heard of Beast Mode is when we as a community pull together and we, starting May 1st, write as much as we possibly can all the way up until May 31st. So I'm going to have weekly writing sprints, power hours, on Saturdays. So starting May 2nd, Saturday, we're going to have our kickoff. And then every Saturday in May, we will have a power hour. Now, I'll try to do every Saturday. I may have a Saturday that I might not be able to, but I'll be sure to let you guys know, and we'll try to make up for that. So if you are a Beast Mode regular, you know how this is going to go. If you're new to Beast Mode and you just need an excuse to write more and find time to write more, why not do it in a community of motivated and inspired writers every Saturday morning? And if you can't make it on Saturday, that's cool too. You can watch the replay on the channel. So if you want more announcements as we get closer to Beast Mode, be sure to join my newsletter at authorlevelup.com/fan club. And be sure to click the bell icon to get notifications when I have a new stream going live. Like I said, if you've been looking for a reason and an excuse to write more, now is your chance. Beast Mode this year will be only on YouTube. I have had a Discord in the past, but I'm just not going to have the time and resources to manage that this year. So everything is going to be on YouTube, either on a stream, a video, or on my community tab. So be sure to follow all of those things. And I'm putting this video out early so that everybody has some time to prepare and get ready, because once we hit May 1st, we're going to be off to the races. So I hope that you'll join me for this year's Beast Mode and have a great day.